shape the future together. Hi all, it's Robert, and I'm here to talk about VPanel. It's a software that DGSHAPE developed to control our machines, and it's totally for free. As you can see on my screen, you can manage everything inside our machines. You can manage DGSHAPE tools, and we are an open system, so you can use the CAD/CAM software that you want. You can use any scanner and the material that you need. Here, as I'm showing, you can manage the live tool of what you are using. You can separate from materials like the most common ones here in DWX dry machine, zirconia, wax, and PMMA. We separate the solutions from wet and dry, so you can use 4 simultaneous machines on the same VPanel. Remember that it's free. You can also use one DWX dry and one DWX wet. It will separate the milling bar manage. Here on the right side, you can see files that we are on queue to make it directly on our milling machine. From this button, you will find the automatic correction used to set up the best position for our machine and to work in the perfect condition to have the best high quality. You can make some improvements on milling process of the machines. You can see the total hours worked with your milling machine. It will show all the details inside the VPanel regarding info like hours, how many times we spend here. Also, you have this button to send us your feedback. It's so important for us to have your feedback to improve ourselves. Thanks to you, we grow more and more our DGSHAPE crew community. On this icon, you will see what's new in our company, so you will receive new notice, events, and more information like when you need to upgrade your VPanel. Shape the future together.